Hello everyone, welcome back to 7 Days channel. Today I'm outside, as you can see, so you will hear a little bit of noise of insects. I have the animals around, so I really hope that they are not gonna disturb us. But anyway, let's get into the theme of today's video. That is an unboxing by Superga! I could just see the shoes that are on the box and I could fall in love without even opening this box. The box actually is not in the best condition, has seen better days, but let's say that what is inside is really exciting for me. So first of all, I would like to tell you something, that it was sometimes that I wanted to buy Superga shoes, but I was going to go for really normal white one. In this shop that I went, that actually is in Greece, in Athens, favela for Jeffrey Campbell, they didn't have my number, as always. Actually, I think that wearing a 41, European 41, is kind of bad and good as well. Because maybe if I would have found my white one, I would have bought them. But instead of 41 was just these shoes, and they are crazy. I mean, it's not my style at all, but I'm sure that I'm gonna wear them like crazy. So let's open together. Are you ready? They are pink. Okay, one moment. Let me close this. First of all, they are pink, as you can see. They have rainbow strings. They have rainbow sole and rainbow sole. They are so great. I really fell in love with them after I was wearing them. I fell in love after I was wearing them. I was a little bit concerned by the platform, the wedge, because I'm super tall. I'm like 180 in centimeters, and I think that in feet is 6 feet. So I really don't need a platform, but they are actually super good, because maybe with the platform, because I have a really long foot, the platform managed to make it a kind of cuter, smaller, more compact, let's say. So actually I really like them. They come also with this plastic foil to keep them in shape. That's why it's also written, don't throw me away, use me again to keep your Superga in perfect shape. So it's actually really good. It's really good because if you don't have a proper place for shoes, for pair of shoes, maybe they end up going one upon the other, and actually this is helping not to do a flat omelette with your shoes. Let me take also the second one, and I'm gonna show you how they are together inside. And my favorite part, like imagine when you walk, and normally the sole is the worst part to see, and actually this is the best. It's like a rainbow walk, like the fabric. I think it's really perfect for the summer, but also for if you don't have a really rigid winter. For example, in Greece, they are simply perfect. Okay, let me tell you something really important. If you own a pair of Superga that are, let's say, ancient, because sometimes Superga are really old, so maybe you have from your mother or from your father. Here it's written that you can easily wash in the washing machine at 30 degrees with simply water and soap. So, perfect. This is called the Fantasia collection. Guess why? And I really wanted to tell you that I just went to Superga site. I'm gonna leave a link below, and they are like, I didn't see the pink one, but I have seen the white one with the rainbow inside and also the stripes, and they come in a discount. So I paid these 80 euros, and now they are around 50-60 euros. All the platform Superga with or the rainbow stripes or with glitter. They have really interesting designs, so I really suggest you to check it out if you like. So okay, so I really hope that you like this video. As always, we need a like and we need a subscription. That is the red button. You press it and you are good to go. See you soon. Bye bye.